In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. So first off, you just have to search for Python. And when you are searching for Python, you could click this downloads and you should search for the latest version of Python. As you can see, just download that and make sure that you are installing whatever your PC is. So in this Windows installer, I am a 64-bit, but once you are in the notebook, or I mean you are in Windows 11, it's either 32-bit or 64-bit. So I just have to choose 64-bit and just start downloading. Once you're done with that, you should go to your installer, just open it, and once you are in here, you should go install. Yeah, just install it. Once you see this setup was successful, you should close it, X that, and go to your terminal or command prompt. Make sure that it is run as administrator. Click yes. Once you are in here, you should copy this pip install Jupyter. Control copy. Once you are in here, you should control V and just enter that, and the Jupyter Notebook will be installed in your Windows 11. That's it.